Have you ever wondered how some people are so good at influencing others? What is it that gives them this magnetic pull, this charm that seems to make their words and actions so persuasive? Well, my dear listener, you're about to dive into the captivating world of influence. The art of influence, you see, is not about manipulation or coercion. Instead, it's about understanding people, appreciating their perspectives, and positively reinforcing their actions. It's an intricate dance, a delicate balance of give and take. Now, if we're talking about influence, it would be remiss not to mention a particular book that has, for over 8 decades, stood as a beacon for those seeking to master this art. How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie is not just a book. It's a guide, a manual to understanding the human psyche and using that understanding to create harmonious relationships. Carnegie, a man of humble beginnings, rose to prominence as a successful salesman before transitioning to teaching public speaking. He understood that the key to influencing people wasn't about being the loudest in the room or having the most compelling argument. No, it was about making people feel valued, understood, and appreciated. Through his book, Carnegie shared his insights and principles, providing us with a roadmap to not only win friends, but to influence people. These principles are as relevant today as they were when first penned in the early 20th century. So, if you've ever found yourself yearning to be that person who can sway opinions, inspire action, and create lasting connections, then you're in the right place. We're about to embark on a journey into the art of influence. Remember, it's not magic, it's strategy. A strategy you too can master. Did you know that a simple act of appreciation can make a huge difference? Dale Carnegie, this renowned influencer and author, certainly thought so. He introduces us to a potent tool in the art of influence, appreciation. Not just any appreciation, mind you, but genuine, heartfelt appreciation. You see, appreciation goes far beyond mere words of gratitude. It's about acknowledging the value and worth of others. It's about recognizing their efforts, their contributions, and their unique qualities. It's about making them feel seen, heard, and valued. Genuine appreciation doesn't just make people feel good about what they've done, it makes them feel good about who they are. Now you may ask, how does this tie into influence? Well, when you show genuine appreciation to someone, you build trust. And trust, my friends, is the foundation of influence. When people trust you, they're more likely to listen to your ideas, consider your perspective, and follow your lead. Trust paves the way for rapport, and rapport is the gateway to influence. Moreover, appreciation fosters a sense of connection. When you appreciate someone, you're not just acknowledging their worth, you're also acknowledging your shared humanity. You're saying, I see you, I value you, we're in this together. This sense of connection can be a powerful motivator, inspiring people to lend their support, share their insights, and work towards common goals. So the next time you want to influence someone, don't just focus on what you want from them. Take a moment to appreciate them, acknowledge their worth, value their contributions, and affirm their unique qualities. Show them that you see them, that you value them, and that you're in this together. Remember, appreciation is a powerful tool in your influence arsenal. Ever felt an instant connection when someone understands your perspective? That's no coincidence. Dale Carnegie identified a powerful principle in his book. He highlighted the essential role of understanding others' perspectives in building relationships and influencing others. This principle isn't just about acknowledging that someone else has a viewpoint, it's about genuinely trying to see the world through their eyes. Think about it. Remember when you were engrossed in a conversation and the person across from you was genuinely interested in your thoughts, ideas, and opinions? How did that make you feel? Valued, respected, heard, right? That's the magic of understanding. When we show genuine interest in someone else's perspective, we create an emotional bridge, fostering a sense of connection and shared understanding. It's like saying, I see you, I hear you, your thoughts matter to me. This validation not only boosts the other person's self-esteem, but also makes them more inclined to value and appreciate our perspectives. But here's the catch. This understanding must be genuine. People can sense when someone is pretending to listen or their interest is superficial. Genuine understanding requires empathy, the ability to feel what the other person feels. It's about immersing ourselves in their experiences, their joys, their fears, their dreams. And what happens when we do this? We gain influence. When people feel understood, they trust us more. They're more open to our ideas and more willing to follow our lead. This is how understanding others' perspectives can become a powerful tool of influence. So the next time you're in a conversation, remember this: don't just listen to respond. Listen to understand. Engage with the other person's ideas, ask insightful questions, and show that you value their perspective. Understanding is not just about listening, it's about empathizing. Enjoying the video so far? Why not give it a like and subscribe for more such content? By liking our videos, you're signifying that you appreciate the content we're putting out, and it motivates us to keep going. And subscribing? Well, that's your golden ticket. It ensures that you never miss a beat. All our latest videos, all the insights, knowledge and wisdom delivered straight to you. It's like having a personal mentor in your pocket. Don't miss out on the chance to become a master of influence. Subscribe us. Let's continue. What if I told you that you could influence people by simply reinforcing their positive behaviors? Imagine a world where we all take the time to acknowledge the good in those around us. That's the core of Dale Carnegie's third principle, the power of positive reinforcement. A simple "well done" or "I appreciate your effort" can go a long way in building a strong, influential relationship. Now let's dive a bit deeper. Positive reinforcement isn't just about showering praises, it's about recognizing and encouraging the right behaviors and actions that align with our values or contribute to our collective goals. It's like watering a plant. The more you water it, the more it grows. Similarly, the more you reinforce positive behaviors, the more they flourish. But here's the catch. The reinforcement has to be genuine. People can sense when you're being insincere. A hollow compliment is like a plant watered with soda. It might seem refreshing, but it does more harm than good. So when you compliment or acknowledge someone's effort, let it come from a place of honesty and appreciation. Remember, positive reinforcement is also about timing. It's most effective when it's immediate. The sooner you reinforce the positive behavior, the stronger the connection the person will make between their action and your positive reinforcement. It's like giving a treat to a puppy right after it performs a trick. The puppy quickly learns that the trick leads to a treat. So think about it. Is there someone in your life whose positive actions you've noticed but haven't acknowledged yet? Maybe it's time to let them know. You'll be surprised at the influence you can wield with a few words of genuine appreciation. Positive reinforcement, when genuine, can do wonders. Let's quickly recap the key points we've discussed. The art of influence is a powerful tool, one that has the potential to shape our interactions and relationships. It's not about manipulation, but about forging genuine connections and understanding with others. One of the critical components of this art is appreciation. Simple acts of gratitude can go a long way in establishing rapport and goodwill. Recognizing the efforts and contributions of others fosters a sense of worth and motivates them to perform even better. So the next time you interact with someone, take a moment to appreciate their efforts. You'd be surprised at the impact it can have. Next, we delved into the magic of understanding. In our interactions, it's crucial to step into the other person's shoes to see things from their perspective. This not only enhances our empathy, but also enables us to tailor our communication in a way that resonates with them. Remember, true understanding is the cornerstone of any meaningful relationship. Lastly, we explored the value of positive reinforcement. This is a powerful psychological tool that can shape behavior and motivate others. The principle is simple. When a behavior is followed by a rewarding consequence, it's likely to be repeated. So, whether it's a colleague who's done an excellent job or a friend who's made a positive change, don't hesitate to reinforce their actions with positivity. These principles, appreciation, understanding, and positive reinforcement, are not just strategies for influence, but guidelines for fostering meaningful relationships. They remind us of the importance of valuing others, empathizing with them, and encouraging their growth. But our journey doesn't stop here. In fact, it's just the beginning. There's a whole world of knowledge and insights waiting for you in our other videos. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. It's a small action on your part, but it goes a long way in supporting our mission to help individuals like you unlock their potential and navigate the path of self-improvement. And as always, we encourage you to continue learning, growing, and influencing. Don't forget to explore our other videos to continue your journey of self-improvement. Until next time, keep influencing.